brothers and sisters, Pulapinaka, and a very good day to you all. It is a pleasure to be here with you all. And at the outset, I would like to thank for the warm welcome accorded to me, Pinaka Bakalevu. Today, we open the doors of this new dormitory and gym. And I'm happy to be here to celebrate this development for our youths here at the Naqere Youth Training Center. The cost of this building is around $292,000, which includes the main building with toilet, bathroom facilities, wash bays, and a gym house with full sets of gym equipment. Ladies and gentlemen, Naqere Youth Training Center offers opportunities to our young people through specific skills and character development to equip our youth in reaching their full potentials for further employment, personal development towards a sustainable livelihood, increase socio-economic status and improve the quality of life. My ministry will ensure that we provide the non-formal education opportunities to our young people so that they can make the most of employment and leadership opportunities. Government, through the Ministry of Youth and Sports, has been introducing training programs to meet the needs of our youth in different areas. We are very pleased that our non-formal education programs are proving beneficial for all our trainees. And in this case, the carpentering training has been the mainstay here at Naqere Training Center over the years. To date, around 46 trainees graduated in and around the Takanrobe, Boa and Madrata province, who have attained the Certificate 3 in Basic Carpentry Training, which is under the Fiji Higher Education Commission. Today we have another 27 trainees who are currently enrolled in the center and are expected to graduate in December this year. We are also now trying to shift the focus on our young women and those with special needs who are willing and capable to participate in this basic carpentry training. In this regard, our boarding facilities for the girls is in the pipeline to be constructed to accommodate this vision. Today we are commissioning a new boys dormitory as well as a gym for this training center here at Naqere. I'm told that the building and the gym was constructed by the ex-trainees of this institution. I'm also told that they do most of their practical work by building classrooms, teachers' quarters, and houses in various parts of the north. To this I say, a job well done, and keep up the wonderful work. With these few words, I wish you all a blessed day and a promising future ahead. Vinaka, and thank you.